Hi, I'm Thomas.
Hi, I'm Ben, and this is our ECE 5725 final project, Pi Kart Live.
We were inspired by the game Mario Kart Live. Pi Kart Live is an augmented reality game where a robot car drives around in a real-world environment.
From a first-person perspective, you dodge bananas and collect stars as you make your way to the finish line.
A video stream from the camera is displayed on the Raspberry Pi desktop, which is accessed through VNC on your own laptop. And the Pi Kart itself is controlled by your computer's keyboard through the VNC as well. Here is what the desktop stream looks like. Here we can see a banana on the right. There's a star. When we touch the star, the car gets a boost forward. Here we can see that there's an arrow pointing to the left to tell us to go in that direction. And when we go in that direction, we can see that there is a finish line flag. Here we see the overhead view of the Pi Kart. It encounters a star and speeds up, and then sees an arrow pointing to the left, which directs it to the finish line.
To render the virtual object, we use April tags, a fiducial marker. We used these April tags to mark where to render the objects. We needed to perform pose estimation so that the position and orientation of the object relative to the kart is correct. First, we calibrated the camera, then performed detection on the April tags, giving us rotation and translation vectors. Using this, we can render the object in the correct place and angle. We rendered these objects by using OpenGL with OBJ files.